Hi, class. This is Mark Tebow. Again, we're starting week 2 now. I wanted to use MediaSite, but I couldn't. For some reason, it's down today. So what I did instead is I'm recording this on my computer. I uploaded it to YouTube, and I've embedded it here. But anyway, um, we're probably this one might be a little bit longer than usual because it's so important for us to get started. But before I get into the assignment, I want to talk about the discussion a little bit. I think this week's discussion should be fun. Genre is a very high level word, and I think really what we're looking for here is subgenres. So we're looking for horror movies and film, or romance and novels, or jazz and music. So you should keep that in mind. The other thing is with archetypes, Carl Jung originally built these archetypes, and actually it was Joseph Campbell who, used it quite heavily. But he originally listed 12. We tend to mainly see 5. We see the hero, we see the villain, we see the everyman, we see the mentor, and we see the innocent. Personally, I like the magician, and there's a few others, and they're in the lesson, and you can take a look at them. So I am excited to see what you will come up with. As relates to the assignment, this assignment will take the entire class, and we will do this over time. So what I'd like you to do is, as I provide notes, I certainly want you to keep that. But the key here is that you picked a brand or an organization, but really who you are is you are actually an agency who is actually pitching the brand that you chose. So, for example, if you picked Tesla, you're not going to be Tesla. You're going to want to be the company that pitches Tesla. And, this may be one of the very few opportunities that you have to actually comprise and put together a pitch that will just also happen to be a story. This makes a lot of sense because Hugo Perez runs an agency, and a lot of what he does is stories, and a lot of what he does is pitches. So for this particular week, we're going to start out with the background of the company. So this is for your team, not for your client. The client kind of knows who they are, and the key is you want to find out who they are, and you're hoping that you will be able to take them to another level. That's really the whole focus of this program. So this is going to be what you need to be starting forward. This document will likely be the basis for everything else that you do moving forward. This will provide their positioning, it'll provide their competitive advantage, their competitors, their offer, their product, and how successful their marketing is. So understanding your client in depth, which is what this assignment is all about, will help you better relate to thoughts as you move forward through this project. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. And lastly, I hope you're working on HubSpot. It has a very specific focus. There is a great deal of valuable content, especially in the resources area, and I hope you will do that. So let's have a great week, and I do look forward to interacting with you all. Thank you.